Hi, my name is Vic Moss. I'm the CEO, co-founder of Drone Service Providers Alliance. And I want to talk about question number 3. What's the most underrated UAV case in the industry? If I had to pick one, I mean there are a few, but if I had to pick probably the most, it's going to be agricultural, whether it's precision, whether it's spraying, whether it's crop health, things like that. The way that the drone industry is advancing in the agricultural part is pretty amazing to watch, but we're not there yet to where we really can utilize the systems as much as I think we probably can, whether it's small crop management, whether it's a larger scale pesticide type of applications. I see that as the growing part, no pun intended, of the industry that has the most potential, and it's the least utilized at the moment. I think part of that is because the American farmer is very set in their ways, which I get it. It's worked great for a number of years, right? They have GPS on their tractors now. So they're accepting more and more of the modernization of their industry. And I think drones are going to be probably the next big step in increasing crop output, crop health, and the ability really to put more food on the American tables. So I would definitely go with ag.